What were the top 5 space news from the 6th week of 2024? Stay tuned to find out. As we traverse the cosmos of recent space news, we'll delve into the significant events that have potential to reshape our understanding and interaction with the great beyond. From international accords to ambitious lunar projects, private missions to lucrative deals, each story paints a vibrant picture of a world deeply invested in the mysteries of space. Without further ado, here are the top 5 space news from the 6th week of 2024. At number 5, we have Greece becoming the latest country to sign the Artemis Accords on February 9th, 2024. Now, if you're not familiar with the Artemis Accords, they're essentially a set of principles outlining best practices for sustainable space exploration, drafted under the leadership of NASA. The Accords aim to foster international cooperation, ensure peace, and enhance exploration benefits for all nations involved. Greece's signing of the Accords is not just a leap for the country, but a giant leap for the global space community. By joining the Artemis Accords, Greece has pledged its commitment to transparency, scientific sharing, and the peaceful use of outer space. This move not only solidifies Greece's position in the international space exploration arena, but also signifies their dedication to the principles of safety, peace, and collaboration in outer space. This move by Greece marks a significant step in their commitment to sustainable space exploration. Coming at number 4, the AX-3 private astronaut mission successfully splashed down on February 9th, 2024. Launched by the enterprising Axiom Space, the AX-3 mission marks an exciting chapter in the annals of private space exploration. This mission was not just about reaching the stars, but about demonstrating the viability of private space travel. The astronauts aboard the AX-3 were not career astronauts but private citizens, showing us that the cosmos is not only for the trained few, but for the many. Their journey took them to the International Space Station, where they conducted groundbreaking research and experienced life in zero gravity. This splashdown, a perfect culmination of their journey, was a triumphant return to Earth. It symbolizes the safe and successful end of their voyage and heralds a new era of space exploration. This successful mission puts a spotlight on the growing role of private companies in space exploration. At number 3, the Beijing government released a new commercial space action plan on February 9th, 2024. This plan is a roadmap outlining the city's intent to become a global hub for commercial space activities. It emphasizes the cultivation of innovative space enterprises, the promotion of space science and technology, and the creation of an open and collaborative space ecosystem. This ambitious action plan also indicates an increased focus on the application of space technologies in various sectors, including agriculture, environmental monitoring, and urban planning. Furthermore, it underlines the importance of international cooperation and the role of private enterprises in accelerating the development of the space industry. Through this plan, Beijing is positioning itself as a prominent player in the global space industry, aiming to foster economic growth, technological innovation, and scientific discovery. This new action plan underscores Beijing's ambition to become a major player in the commercial space industry. At number 2, China announced plans to launch lunar navigation and communications test satellites on February 7th, 2024. In a bid to bolster their space exploration efforts, China has charted out an ambitious plan to pioneer new avenues in lunar navigation and communication. These test satellites, designed to orbit the moon, will not only provide crucial data on lunar topography, but also open up new possibilities for future manned and unmanned lunar missions. The significance of these satellites extends beyond basic exploration. They will serve as a beacon, guiding future lunar missions and fostering a deeper understanding of the moon's environment. Moreover, they will lay the groundwork for establishing a reliable communication link between Earth and our celestial neighbor. These satellites will play a crucial role in China's ambitious lunar exploration plans. And at number 1, BlackSky secured a $50 million deal to supply imagery services and satellites to Indonesia on February 8, 2024. This American geospatial intelligence company is known for its innovative real-time satellite imaging technology. With this deal, Indonesia is not just acquiring cutting-edge tech, but also gaining an upper hand in disaster management, climate studies, and urban development. For the global space industry, this is another demonstration of the rising influence of private companies. As nations worldwide recognize the value of satellite imagery, companies like BlackSky are stepping up to meet the demand. This deal highlights the growing demand for satellite imagery services and the increasing influence of private companies in the space industry. And there you have it, the top 5 space news from the 6th week of 2024. From Greece's Artemis Accords to BlackSky's lucrative deal, we're witnessing a dynamic era in space exploration. Stay tuned for more space news updates. Until next time, keep looking up.